Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, reporting from IMTEX India 2026 Bangalore. And today I have Rabindranath sir with me from KABELSCHLEPP. Hi sir.
Hi.
How are you sir?
I'm good. Thank
Sir,
you.
can you brief us about your company and how you started?
See, the company is KABELSCHLEPP India Private Limited. We are 19 years old in India. Our KABELSCHLEPP in Germany started in 1953. We are almost 60 plus years in Germany. And
Right.
currently we are offering track chains and caps products, that is conveyor and protection system products.
Right.
Track chains we are supplying since last, we are the inventors of track chain system, steel carriers. Later on, KABELSCHLEPP started plastic chains. We are supplying throughout India. We have in different places of country also. And we are supplying in globally, we are supplying to many countries. We have office in China, we have office in other places of the globe also.
Right. So what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
In currently we are displaying wipers and telescopic covers and our conveyor system. This is our Arnold lamella covers and track chain system, steel, plastic, and Tsubaki products also is there currently.
So how energy efficient are the products of your company?
Yeah, it's very good. Since we are the inventors of this thing, our product is highly appreciated in the market for the quality, because we are not compromising on the qualities.
Right.
So that is how our products are very good in the market.
So you are dealing in green energy as well, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So in what all countries are you dealing in other than China and other countries?
Globally, we have in all other
Okay.
places also.
Okay.
So that is
Like
global
in
market is taken care
North
by.
America.
Yeah. we have.
Okay. Okay, that's great.
So currently, we are focusing KABELSCHLEPP India. We are focusing in India right now.
Okay, okay.
So we
So
want
you're
to,
planning to expand your offerings?
yeah, we want to expand. We want to start a business and also export from India also
Right,
to
right.
South Asian countries. So
That's
we are
nice.
planning that.
That's
That's
really
going
nice, sir. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.